Framer Portfolio Tutorial. How to create a portfolio in Framer. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be utilizing and taking advantage of Framer, which is a great platform to create designs, websites, interactive websites, and all kinds of things. And in today's video, I would like to create a portfolio. We will be showing you how you will be able to create your portfolio very easily, very creatively using Framer and its bunch of different creative functions. So to get started, let's start with a very empty project. Let's go and start from scratch and show you what we could do inside of Framer. Now, there are two things that you could do in Framer in approaching this portfolio creation. You could either build all the content of your portfolio by using the different elements available over here, building it manually one by one using the elements, the templates available for us, dragging and dropping it into your page, or you could take advantage of templates that are available for us as well. Now, you don't really need to uh, use and follow the templates strictly. You could just use them to help you save time. You could use them as an inspiration on how your portfolio would be structured and all kinds of things. And over here, actually, under the pages, under the basic templates of Framer, we have all kinds of pages available for us to use. And one of those things are portfolio, as you can see here. And aside from portfolios, there's actually templates for teasers, for blogs, blog articles, sidebar project pages, and many more. The project pages could be utilized for your portfolio as well. But you could see the amount of things that you will be able to do inside of Framer. So let's go and check out and use the portfolio template over here, as you can see. As you can see, it's very simple, very straightforward. It's not too fancy, but portfolio needs to showcase your work. It needs to showcase the amount of effort that you've been doing on your projects, and this portfolio of ours are going to be utilized to demonstrate or to show that effect. So over here, as you can see, we are our portfolio template. You could move around different things. As you can see right now, depending on the positioning type over here, if it's relative, it doesn't. If you move it around, it's going to stick. But if you do fixed or sticky, you will be able to do partial or like be able to move it in a way. So let me try it over here. This entire thing is currently wrapped. So if you do fixed, let's fix our sizing over here of our website. So it's not letting us size it up, but um, let's go check out the layers over here. So right now we're currently in the desktop, and we have different stocks over here. So we have stock 2, and inside this is currently where the section is contained. So let's double click this, and this is our image. So we could choose the image that we could put inside of our portfolio over here. Let's select a different one over here, something like that. Over here, let's select something like this, and then you will be able to put in your element over here. You will be able to add effects over here on the right side. You could choose over the styles over here. You could add shadows over here. You could have some realistic styles or some box over here. What else? We could apply the effect over here as well. Shadows. There we go. You can add some borders as well. You will be able to modify your project name over here. For this one, since this is a photo and you're assuming that you're demonstrating or showcasing a project over here, you can add a link over here to a different page over here. So, pages, let's add a page over here, new page. And for this one, let's say project, let's add the template we saw for the project list or like list of project. There we go. Add to page, and now over here we have our project over here. So you could put in your project name over here, and then for the description we could add it over here under. the different elements over here. You have text over here, different text or information. You could choose between the different forms over here as well if you want something like these to apply or to be placed in your section. But let's add a text over here. Let's say description, project description. There we go. Now I want this one to be placed underneath this, of course. So let me modify it. It should be over here. There we go. This one should be at top. Let's try to make it work. There we go. And over here, same thing that you guys could do. You could modify the images. But let's go back home over here. We should select this link as to our project page. For this one, let's do something similar for now. A project page over here. Now, aside from that, you could put all kinds of elements as well. So let's say we have this. So let me select this. If you're not satisfied with this, let me delete this section over here. We could add another section over here and choose from the different outputs or available for us over here. Choose the one that is actually applicable to a portfolio. So for example, we have this like a review. You could put in the review of your different clients. You have contacts over here. You could add those as well. FAQ, trusted by, stuff like that. You could add all kinds of things on your website through the different templates available over here. We could add some menus over here as well. So we have our sections over here. Uh, Aside from that, we have our different other creative element templates that we just showed you earlier. So we could have some countdown, some time over here. We could put some countdown over here just for fun. Over here, as you can see, maybe you're planning some sort of event that you're gonna host on your portfolio. That's something you could do as well, as you can see. But let's actually try and publish it right now. You get the idea. You get the idea that I'm trying to show to you guys how easy it is to put together the different elements, the different parts of a portfolio, use the different functions, use the different settings available in Framer to easily build a really great looking or a good looking portfolio with ease. So if you redirect this, as you can see, it will redirect us to this page. We could go back, we click the other one, it will do the same thing as you can see. So it's very easy to make an interactive website, despite it being just not code actually, but you could do and play around and create awesome interaction between the different websites. And this is easily done by using the very easy to understand settings over here on the right side. So that's basically it, guys. So I would leave the improvisation or like the different things that you could do. It will be up to your creativity. But that's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.